Clogged arteries, a common health concern, occur when plaque accumulates within the arterial wall. This plaque acts like a band-aid, primarily composed of fibrin, a type of connective tissue protein, and calcium. The presence of plaque often leads to the stiffening of arteries, significant inflammation, and frequently high blood pressure. Inflammation is considered a key factor in the development of plaque, often initiating when the endothelial wall, the inner cellular lining of artery, become damaged, potentially due to factors such as high sugar intake, excessive omega-6 fatty acid, or smoking. Without this initial inflammatory response, the accumulation of plaque is less likely to occur. When considering remedies for clogged arteries, it's important to evaluate their efficacy and potential side effect. One widely discussed treatment for managing heart health is statin medication. Statins are often promoted based on claims of significantly reducing the risk of heart attacks. For instance, a particular 5-year study involving 2,000 healthy individuals over the age of 50 suggested a 50% reduction in the risk of non-fatal heart attack. While this percentage sounds impressive, a closer examination of the study's data reveal a different picture. Furthermore, statin medications are associated with a 5% increased risk of various side effects. These complications include myopathy, which is muscle problem and disease, erectile dysfunction, low testosterone, neuropathy, dementia, and hemorrhage stroke. Therefore, an ideal remedy for arterial plaque would effectively address the issue without introducing such serious side effects. One such remedy, which has been utilized in Japan for over 2 millennia, is an enzyme known as nattokinase. Nattokinase is the most prevalent active ingredient found in natto, a traditional Japanese dish made from fermented soybean. Natto itself is notably rich in vitamin K2. While it is not explicitly stated whether nattokinase directly contains vitamin K2, its source natto certainly does. Nattokinase exhibits several remarkable properties that make it a potent candidate for addressing arterial plaque and associated cardiovascular issue. Its key benefits include potent fibrinolytic compound. Nattokinase is a powerful protein that effectively breaks down fibrin, the protein component of plaque, and a key factor in blood clot formation. It has clot dissolving ability. It is a highly effective dissolver of clot. One experiment demonstrated an 88% decrease in thrombosis within 6 hours. This property is also being explored for dissolving nasal polyp that contribute to sinus issues. It also has direct impact on oxidized LDL. The enzyme has a direct effect on oxidized LDL, which is low density lipoprotein, a pathogenic type of cholesterol implicated in clotting process. Strong anti-inflammatory properties. Nattokinase possesses significant anti-inflammatory qualities which are crucial given that inflammation is often the initial trigger for plaque accumulation. It also has ability to lower the blood pressure, and nattokinase works to inhibit or suppress the thickening of arterial wall, which boosts the arterial wall health. It helps to increase the level of HDL, high density lipoprotein, often referred as good cholesterol, and lowers triglyceride. A study conducted in 2004 indicated that nattokinase could decrease the risk of stroke. This is particularly relevant as plaque can form only in coronary arteries around the heart but also in carotid arteries leading to the brain. In animal studies involving rabbit, a combination of nattokinase and ginseng was observed to shrink plaque in the aorta. And the key thing to note, it has minimal side effect. Nattokinase has been found to have virtually no side effect, presenting a stark contrast to medications like statin. Given its diverse positive effect on cardiovascular health and its favorable safety profile, nattokinase is certainly a substance worth exploring for individuals seeking to reduce or prevent the accumulation of plaque in their arteries. Thanks for watching. If you find this content helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting science content.